Good morning, children. Today we will do the second part of our first chapter, that is our country India. We will be doing the physical division. Now what is there in the physical division, children? It is the mountain, plains, desert, plateau and plains and islands. Okay. Okay. Physical divisions of India. When we look at the physical map of India, we see great diversity in the landforms in India. Now children, what do you mean by diversity? Diversity is many people staying in a same place together, and we have different culture, different languages, different fooding. This is all done together is diversity. Like I'll give you an example. We all celebrate Durga Puja, we celebrate Diwali, we celebrate Christmas, though it is not our own festival, but still we celebrate. That is called diversity. We like to eat South Indian food, Indian food, continental food and also Mughlai food. So these are all diversity of India. So even in the landforms, there are diversities, like how we have mountains, we have plains, we have desert, we have plateaus and we have the coastal areas and the islands. Now let us see, there are two photographs which are given over here. This is the coast area, this is the mountain area. Okay, here you see, children, the northern portion is the northern mountain wall. From here, this is your Uttarakhand and all this place, Punjab, Arunachal Pradesh, sorry, that is the Himachal Pradesh and all. We have the northern plains. From here is the coastal areas. Coastal areas, why? Because the Bay of Bengal is here, the Arabian Sea is here. So this place is the coastal area and this is the Indian Ocean. This is again a coastal area. And in the center we have the plateau. This is the southern plateau. It is also known as the Deccan Plateau. Now the desert is over here in Rajasthan. This is the Great Indian Desert. You can also call it the Thar Desert. And the two islands which we have is the Lakshadweep Island and the Andaman and Nicobar Island. Okay, children, this is the physical divisions of India. This you have to do very well, nicely you have to do it, because when we learn in the map pointing, we will be doing this. Okay, now there are certain things which are written, I will go through it. Eastern Himalayas, Western Himalayas, Northeastern ranges, Eastern plains, Northern plains, Western plains, Central Highland, East Deccan. Like I had said, this is the Deccan, so this will be the East Deccan. Okay. Now the North Deccan, South Deccan, Western Ghats, the Eastern Ghats, Eastern coastal plains and the Western coastal plain islands and continental shelf. Now what is a continental shelf? In your books you will see, children, this portion is in violet color, means light violet color, this portion. They are saying that it is, some land is submerged in the water. That is known as the continental shelf. You will be reading in higher classes about this. So you need not, you just have to know, I told you, because of the, so that you can tell people if they ask you what is continental shelf. So it is not needed now, but you can always learn and keep. This is your vocabulary. For your vocabulary I have said. Okay, so why is India a peninsula? India is a peninsula because of this portion. There is sea on the west, there is an ocean in the south and there is a bay in the east. So this portion which you can see, is it's coming like a cone over here, is a peninsula. A land covered with water from all three sides is a peninsula. And over here we have the northern mountains, the desert, northern plains and the plateau is in the center. Okay, children, thank you so much. We have come to the end of this chapter. Thank you. Take care. Bye. Be safe.